Okay. Hi, everyone, and welcome to the last day of week three, day 7. So, this is our daily stand up where we talk about our progress, what we have done so far, what we are planning to do, or any challenge that we have faced. We will discuss them here. So, you're going to be doing much of the talking. And as usual, if you cannot speak, please write in the message so that we will know your progress. But since it's the last day, and since I believe at least some of you had already worked on the project and submitted, I would like to hear what insights that you have found, and what's something interesting that you have seen while doing the project. So with that in mind, um, let's go through through the room and try to share our progress and insights. So who's going to be our icebreaker? Who's going to start us off? Anyone? Any takers? Okay, tough crowd. In that case, let's go. I think from the top, Berleta and then Getachew. Can you guys speak? If you can't, guys, don't wait for me to call out your name. Just write in the message your progress and so on. So Berleta and Getachew, we're waiting for you. I think Samrat and Nathaniel has shared. Thank you guys for sharing. Samrat has completed task 1, 2, and 3, and she's working on task 4, which is training the models. And Nathaniel has completed the assignment and submitted them all as well as all yet. Okay, so what insights have you gotten from from working on this project? What's something interesting that you have found? When you talk about this project to others, what are you going to mention, or what have you learned from it? Not from the of course, you can also speak about the technical side, but more on the insights from the project. Can anyone share? Nathaniel and Oliad, I think you guys are finished, so if you can share, please. Well, I'm working on task 3. I know I was a bit late, so I will try to complete. I think you still have time, to be honest. Uh, I think if you are on task 3, you still have time to complete. Plus, don't forget that you have 48-hour grace period. So I think you're good. Um, Nuria as well. Okay, is on task 4. Okay, who can speak? I feel like I'm talking to myself. One is speaking. Oh, interesting. Nathaniel have found that the age of the vehicle is significant predictor of claims severity. Yeah, that's interesting. That's really interesting. So these are the kind of insights that really catch the audience, or whoever you are presenting it to. So um, I think Healy, is that your name? So how do you calculate the feasibility age? I think that's a question for Nathaniel. Um, while you are answering that, there is, can you share Tensai and Tashagar? I think you are the only left. Can you guys share? Tashagar said it's models, but why? Do you know why? What is the reason? Okay. Okay. So make sure to just do that because like it's a really good training method. So if the model is bad, rather than just jumping from model to model, I think it's better to know why it's not working, why it's not good, so that you can, you know, like improve on the data. Like if it is, if the issue is with cleaning the data, maybe you can go back to it and, you know, work on that one. But if it is from the model, maybe you can change some, you know, tweak some parameters and make it better. So it's really good to know why it's not working uh, before, you know, moving on. So that's a good strategy. So okay, uh, I think everyone is typing. Let's see if anyone has joined. Mesfin and Neo, can you guys share? Can you guys speak? Anyone? And as well as Samanding and Sunlight. If you guys can share your progress, that would be great. And also, of course, if you can share that, if you can share what insight that you have got, like it's really interesting. I think this week's project as well as the others is really interesting. So let's talk what what you have found while you're working on this project, because I think that makes a lot of sense to see. Okay, Tekrager is actually asking for others what they got. So anyone who wants to answer this? Everyone is quiet today. I don't know why. Okay.
Maybe in the chat box as well, in case there's a challenge screen.
Okay. So Emilian is also here. So if anyone has questions for on the non-technical as well, he will be more than happy to answer. Let's share, guys. Let's try to share. We're not using the stand-ups as we should. Yes, Nurugi?
ኦኬ ሼር ለማድረግ ነው የደረስኩበትን ስታተስ።
Yes, please do.
ያ ታስክ 1 ታስክ 2 ታስክ 3 ነው ኮምፕሊት ያደረኩት። ታስክ 4 ኢን ሞዴሊንግ ገና ሞዴሎችን ቴስት እያደረኳቸው ነው። ቻን ኢዝ ሞር አኩሬት ላይክ በፓራሜትሮቹ መሰረት ማለት ነው። አርኤምኤስዩ እና አርስኬሩን ሜጀር አድርጌ which is good and which is not bad የሚለውን አይደንቲፋይ እያደረኩ ነው ገና። ግን አፍተር ክሊኒንግ ኤንድ ሜክ ኢዲኤው ላይ እንዴት ነው አንድ የመኪና ብራንድ ሴቨሪቲው ላይ ምን ያክል ኢምፓክት አለው፣ አንድ የመኪና ሞዴል ምን ያክል ሴቨሪቲው ላይ ምን ያክል ኢምፓክት አለው፣ ኤጅ ምን ያክል ኢምፓክት አለው የሚሉትን የመኖሪያ ቦታዎች ስፍራዎች ደግሞ ምን ያክል ኢምፓክት አላቸው የሚለውን አይዴንቲፋይ እንዳደረግ አድርጎኛል ቪዲዮውን ከሰራው በኋላ ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ጀንደር፣ ቪሂክል ታይፕ፣ ኤቭሪቲንግ ምን ያክል ተጽዕኖ እንዳላቸው ማለት ነው። ሌላ ደግሞ በፕሮቪነንስ ደግሞ ምን ያክል ላይክ ሎስ ሬሻቸውን ካልኩሌት አድርገን ምን ያክል ፕሮፖርሽን የትኛው ፕሮቪነንስ ላይ ይበዛል የትኛው ፕሮቪነንስ ላይ ያንሳል። ዛት ሚንስ እነዚህ ኢንሹራንስ ካምፓኒዎች ታርጌት ማድረግ ያለባቸው ታርጌት ከስተመራቸው መሆን ያለባቸው ገና ሊድ ጀነሬት ሲያደርጉ ፍሮም ፕሮቪነንስ ዊዝ ሎ ሎስ ሬሾ ያለው ጋር ታርጌት ያደርጋሉ ማለት ነው። ትልቅ ሎስ ሬሾ ያላቸው ላይ ደግሞ አንደኛ ፕራይስ በመጨመር I think we will predict in the modeling phase ግን ፕራይስ መጨመር ላይ ታርጌት ማድረግ፣ ሁለተኛ ደግሞ ካልሆነ ደግሞ ላይክ ባያስገቧቸው ራሱ ቤተር ነው ሉስ ከማድረግ ብዙ ነገር ማለት ነው። እንደዛ አይነት ነገሮችን ከቢዝነስ ኢንሳይት እንዳያቸው አድርጎኛል። ብዙ ናቸው። ሌላኛው ደግሞ ምንድነው ታስክ ስሪ ነው፣ ቴስቲንግ ፌዝ ነው። እዚህ ላይ ደግሞ ዋን ፓርት ኦፍ ዘ ከልመን ላይክ ክሌም ሴቨሪቲው ላይ ክሌም ኦከራንሱ ላይ ምን ያክል ኢምፓክት አለው የሚለውን ቴስት እንድናደርግ ነው። ሶ ሜቢ ቻይ ስኮር ቴስት ሊሆን ይችላል፣ አኖቫ ቴስት ተጠቅመን እነዚህን ቴስቶች ራሱ ለምን እንደተጠቀምናቸው አሁን ለምሳሌ ሃይፖቴሲስ ዋን there is no risk difference across provenance ይላል። ሶ ሁለት ነገር አለን፣ ምን ሪስክ እና ፕሮቪነንስ ማለት ነው። ሶ ፕሮቪነንስ ባይናሪ አውትካም ነው የሚሆነው፣ ክሌም ኦከርድ አድርጓል ወይስ አላረገም፣ የት ላይ የትኛው ፕሮቪነንስ ላይ አይነት ነገር ማለት ነው። ሶ እነሱን ሃይፖቴሲስ ውድቅ ማድረግና ማሳለፍ አይነት ነገር ነው። ሶ አሁን ለምሳሌ ለፈርስት ሃይፖቴሲስ there is no risk difference across the provenance የሚለው ላይ I choose chi-squared because we are comparing two categorical groups which is provenance ማለት ነው against a binary outcome claim occurred አድርጓል ወይስ አላደረገም የሚለው ላይ። so እሱን ካልኩሌት ሳደርግ I get a p value which is 0.0 almost. so we have to drop this hypothesis ማለት ነው.
Reject.
Yeah, we have to reject it. The other risk difference between zip codes the same thing we have to do ማለት ነው። ለተሰጠን ሃይፖቴሲሶች ያ ታይም እንዳልወስድ ብዬ ነው። ሌላኛው ደግሞ ፓራሜትር በማስቀመጥ ላይክ ምንድነው Okay, I think I have to do it all in my reports. And አጠቃላይ so እንደዚህ ነው ታስክ ስሪን ኮምፕሊት ያደረኩት።
that's good. በጣም አሪፍ ኢንሳይቶችን ነው ያገኘው ፕላስ ሼርም ስላደረከን I think everyone has gained a lot. so በጣም ነው የምናመሰግነው ኑሪ. Thanks for sharing your insights. So this like finding these things is what I think like what we need to do. Like doing analysis is not like the end thing, but finding and extracting insights, building hypotheses, and like failing to reject them or rejecting them during the tests and so on. So that's what we should aim for. So thank you so much, Nuria, for sharing. So we still have time, so if there is anyone else who wants to share, please do. Gabriel, can you share maybe, and then Lidet? Can you share? If you cannot speak, please write write in the message so that we know that you're not able to speak. Yeah, Sunlight, I think I have called your name earlier. If you cannot speak, please write. I just want to hear, like, if anyone needs help, if anyone has run into issues and so on, so that we can help. Okay, I think we have had like 3 null hypothesis tests. So what insight have you gotten from doing them? Can you share? Can you write them? Malit, I think, do you have any announcements from the team? Do we have any announcements? Okay, maybe she can't. Emilian, is there any announcements from the team? I think.
Yes, there's no announcement. Yes, today is the submission. So in case you get any issue or any problem, just reach out on Slack, either to me or to the day. Otherwise, let's meet in this date.
Okay, I think my audio is not good, but okay, I think everyone has heard it. Thank you, Emilian. So, Ledat, I'm waiting for if you can share like your insights from the hypothesis test to see how that you have done. If you can share. Plus, Tashagar has asked question and no one has actually answered him. Okay, so that's interesting. Reject, fail to reject. No statistical difference between some zip codes. Marginal. Okay. Thank you, Led, for sharing. So, anyone else who wants to share, please do. We still have time. I think we still have 10 minutes. It's really interesting. Like what Nuri and Ledet has shared, plus I think Tashagar has also shared. So if anyone else can add to this, that would be great. If not, I think we can end the session here. Mahalit? Just wanted to check if there is anything. Okay. Yeah, okay. In that case, let me just end the session here. Thank you guys for sharing and joining. For the future, let's try to share more about the insight that we have found while working on the project. I think last week we had a lot of people sharing, so let's try to keep that momentum going. Okay, thank you everyone for joining and have a great day. Bye. See you. So don't forget to submit. Today is a submission day, so see you guys. Bye.